Hi, my name's Charlie from Purifog Sussex, and today we're going to do a full deep clean down at the Concord 2 in Brighton using our brand new patented technology. This is 1,700 times more efficient than any other fog machine on the market.
Purifog Hypo utilises a newly patented dry fogging system. Depending on the size of premises, it takes only a few seconds up to a few minutes to carry out sanitisation. And after the fog clears in 2 hours or less, businesses can reopen totally virus-free. It kills 99.99% of all viruses and bacteria in the entire room and sanitises door handles, light switches, paper, clothing and computer keyboards as it's totally dry. Crucially, it complies with the World Health Organization guidelines for killing COVID-19. Purifog can be used in gyms, pubs, clubs, restaurants, hospitals, dentists, care homes, cinemas, beauty salons, hairdressers, in fact anywhere that could be affected by COVID-19. Proven to be 1,700 times more efficient than any other spray fogging system. It also leaves an invisible residue which continues to kill viruses for around 7 and up to 30 days depending on footfall. Purifog sanitisation is competitively priced and is helping to keep businesses open during this coronavirus pandemic.
If you'd like more information or a free quotation, please contact us via 01273 273 555 or alternatively at info@purifogsussex.co.uk.